Hello students. Today we're going to look at an example together of similar figures and how to find a missing side with similar figures. Go ahead and copy this entire problem down and then we're going to work together to solve. I want you to have the whole thing copied before we begin. Okay, the problem says triangle QTY is shown below. Which of the following triangles is not similar to QTY? Which tells me that 3 of them are similar, and I'm looking for the one that is not. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is look at my triangles. Do any of them need to be rotated? Well, no, because I have that right angle in the left corner on every single one of them, so we're good there. So I'm going to start by color coding. I'm going to call my height orange, and I'm going to call my base purple. Before I go any further, I'm going to color code all of my bases purple and all of my heights orange. Before I can tell which one is not similar, I'm going to have to set up a bunch of proportions because I need to find the ones that are similar. So I'll go ahead and start with answer choice A. I'm comparing orange to purple. I'm going to call it O to P. And the first one I'm always going to write is this QTY. For every single answer choice, I'm comparing the answer choice to the triangle given. Answer choice to the given. So the orange is 12 when the purple is 15. In answer choice A, the orange is 4 when the purple is 5. How can we tell if these are proportional or not? By cross multiplying. Remember, if it is proportional, then you'll get the same thing when you multiply across. I know that 5 times 12 is 60. I know that 15 times 4, well, 15 times 2 is 30, so 15 times 4 is also 60. 60 equals 60, I know that for sure. So A is proportional. So A is proportional. Let's look at B. Again, I'm comparing orange to purple, and then the first triangle I'm going to look at is the one that I'm given. I have 12 to 15. Orange is 6, purple is 7.5. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and multiply here. 15 times 6, well again, I know that 15 times 2 is 30, and 15 times 4 is 60, so 15 times 6 must be 90. And then I can multiply 12 times 7.5 in my head, but I want to go ahead and let's practice with that decimal. So I have 7.5 times 12. Even if you can already do this mentally, I want you to look at how we're solving with the decimal. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15. I hold a place, get rid of the number I've already multiplied with. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 90. Remember, there's one place after the decimal, so one place after the decimal. So I'm going to come back up here. 7.5 times 12 is 90. 90 is equal to 90, so B is proportional. Let's look at answer choice C. I'm comparing again orange to purple. In my original problem, my original triangle, I'm sorry, orange is 12, purple is 15. In my smaller triangle, orange is 3, purple is 3.75. Let's check it and see. 15 times 3, well, I know that 15 times 2 is 30, plus another 15. 15 times 3 is 45. Let's see what 3.75 times 12 is. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. Hold a place. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 7 is 7. 1 times 3 is 3. There are 2 places after my decimal. So 12 times 3.75 is 45. 45 does equal 45, so C is proportional. Now, I'm still going to figure out D because I'm not satisfied. I don't trust myself enough to say that I'll never ever make a mistake. And I could have missed one of these. So let's check D too, just to make sure. I'm comparing orange to purple. In my original problem, orange is 12, purple is 15. Orange here is going to be 10, and purple is 9.5. Let's cross multiply. 15 times 10, 150. 12 times 9.5. 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Hold my place. 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 is 10. 114. 114 is not equal to 150, therefore D is not proportional. So the question doesn't ask me which one is proportional, it asks me which one is similar. But we know from our attributes of similarity that for 2 triangles to be similar, their sides have to be proportional. Corresponding sides have to be proportional. Because A is proportional, that cannot be my answer. Because B is proportional, that cannot be my answer. Because C is proportional, that cannot be my answer. And because D is not proportional, that is my answer. If they're not proportional, then they are not similar. Therefore, triangle D is not going to be similar to triangle QTY. Thank you for working this problem out with me. Enjoy your evening, and we'll see you in class tomorrow.